I love hosting dinner parties, and I thought a pumpkin-themed October dinner party would be a perfect way to kick off fall. The day before the dinner party, I started with my pumpkin ravioli. I made my dough with some pumpkin to get that cute color, but the filling was really savory with 3 cheeses, some whipped cream, rosemary, and nutmeg. I love the whipped cream because it makes the filling really airy, and it's one of my favorite ways to make ravioli. Next, I worked on my pumpkin spice tiramisu. I added pumpkin and pumpkin spice to the mascarpone filling, and I soaked my ladyfingers in espresso and layered them in these adorable pumpkin ramekins. I let them sit in the fridge, and then the morning of, I worked on my twice-baked honey nut squash. I roasted my squash and made a goat cheese filling and topped them with a slice of Gruyere to get them nice and bubbly. I pre-baked them, then just reheat right before serving. Right before everyone arrived, I made my autumn salad with shredded Brussels sprouts, roasted butternut squash, pomegranate, parmesan, and a Dijon tahini dressing. I also worked on my roasted pumpkin butter chicken. It's a very savory pumpkin butter, which I put under and on the skin. I let this chicken also dry brine overnight so it was extra juicy. I roasted it with buttercup squash, which was a new variety I found, and I thought it would be fun to serve in the spirit of pumpkin. I set the table before my friends got here, and once it was time to eat, I made my brown butter sage ravioli and I served it with the chicken. Everything else was family style except dessert. This was so fun. I can't wait for another one.